Okay, guys. So I am taking one recommendation. This is a very important recommendation because once we hand over the project, and if you don't give the as built, this will be really a painful situation for operation and maintenance. So we are keeping this recommendation as it is. Review the authorization process for startup. Verify the schedule. So PSSR is done. And
can you modify the recommendation, please, Chairman? Just because you are talking about the as-built, we are talking about the RLM as a starting point of the as-built, because the RLM, in fact, is the input to the as-built.
Okay, so can you please dictate what you want to cover here?
Ensure approval of the red line marked drawings between two brackets RLM. Yeah, exactly.
Right. Ensure approval of RLM and preparation of
yes, and the finalization of the as-built documentation.
Correct? Is it okay?
Yeah.
You have to mention at the time of handover of final documentation, not operation and maintenance. Final documentation.
Very good. So guys, the PS also is done, and you have commissioning procedure is there, right?
Yeah.
Yes. That is okay. So we don't have any problem. So Nishad, can you give me the pre-commissioning and commissioning documentation number later? I will put here. Right, Nishad?
Okay, sir.
Mr. Chairman, please correct final dossier documentation.